In today's video, I will be showing you the top 4 ways you can make a lot of money with Bitcoin in 2022. It's the simplest method to make a reasonable living while putting your money into Bitcoin, so there are numerous options for making money after investing in Bitcoin. Before getting into the meat of the topic, however, everyone needs to understand the principles of the cryptocurrency that is in question. It was founded by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009 and is mostly used for online shopping purposes. Bitcoin has been used to purchase consumer products and services for some time now. There isn't much left these days that Bitcoin can't get you. Each country has its own set of rules for accepting Bitcoin and allowing consumers to use it to make purchases. A number of countries encourage citizens to utilize Bitcoin to purchase a variety of things. They will use the money to buy minor products such as a vacuum cleaner while saving for more expensive items such as supercars. Before getting started, people should be aware with significant ideas like Bitcoin, trading, Bitcoin mining, and anything else related to it. Everyone who have used Bitcoin in various parts of the world should be aware of the various methods they might make money. They can conduct thorough research online or contact a variety of sources to learn everything they can about making money with Bitcoin. As a result, the following are the major ways that all Bitcoin investors can easily generate a good income: Bitcoin trading. Basically, Bitcoin trading is by far the most secure and straightforward method of making money using Bitcoin. The only thing buyers should keep in mind is that in order to make the best decisions, they must gather sufficient information about Bitcoin, such as news and market movements. Then you must find a suitable forum or Bitcoin exchange to begin trading. To begin, you'll need to buy Bitcoin from a reliable website or exchange at a reasonable price. After that, you'd wait for the appropriate opportunity to sell them for a bigger profit. In the same way, Bitcoin holders benefit from margins. Begin with CoinBase. Link is in the description below, which is one of the most powerful trading platforms due to its exceptional customer service. Lending Bitcoin: many people looking for a quick way to generate money might lend it out on numerous websites or give it to someone to earn interest. Shareholders would levy interest rates based on the terms of the deal. When offering Bitcoin to someone, they will immediately get a lot of attention until they lend Bitcoin. They can also make the best short and long-term decisions for lending Bitcoin. Bitcoin mining in the current year: the next great way to profit from Bitcoin has arrived to enhance their chances of profit. All of the Bitcoin investors must first learn about the mining procedure and then put it into practice. It is a method of solving problems or performing calculations utilizing high-powered devices. After solving the computational math tasks, they generate miners who solve the puzzle quickly are rewarded with cash or other incentives. Bitcoin faucet websites. There are hundreds of websites where users can generate money by using faucets. You can search on Google for the best Bitcoin faucet websites to earn money or Bitcoin in the form of points. Customers must choose the finest Bitcoin faucet website and complete all of the daily tasks. These faucet websites offer a variety of tasks, including small pulls, pay-to-click CAPTCHA, and several other chores. So these are some of the ways that Bitcoin can be used to create money. Apart from that, people might benefit from participating in online studies in a variety of ways. Lastly, when working with cryptocurrencies, there are various factors to consider, including getting a safe Bitcoin wallet, picking the suitable exchange or trading site, and staying current on all developments. In order to make informed judgments, as previously said, customers must first select the appropriate trading site, create a new account, and then begin trading in order to profit. They should make all of their decisions based on accurate predictions or research, and they should continue to invest in Bitcoin while remaining mindful of their financial limits. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my future videos.